welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we're going to do another one of my one shadow looks. As always, there is a base shade. It matches my eyelids, so it doesn't really count. So I just take a large fluffy brush and sweep that all over my brows. This just sets my primer and gives me a base to blend my color on top of. The reason I started this series was somebody was talking about how they were scared of color and they didn't know, which colors went together, and that when they tried it, it looked weird because the colors clashed. And if you're concerned about that, then these looks are perfect for you. So I have mature skin. I'm well over 30, and I'm about to put a single shimmer eyeshadow on my lid. That's like the big no-no to a lot of beauty people. But we're gonna do it and see how it turns out. So I'm going to take Rich Girl, and this shade is just, it's so pretty. Look at that. It's just a really nice shimmer that I love. I use it on my inner corner all the time. So I'm just going to, like, if you were doing regular eyeshadow, you would, do it here, but we're not going to do that because we're using a shimmer only. We're going to stay right on the lid, exactly where you would put a shimmer. That's it. We're not going outside that. Okay? Okay, so now I'm going to take my Beauty for Real in Champagne and rim my eyes on the waterline. I'm going to take my Super Cat from Soap and Glory and do a eyeliner. Alright, I'm going to do my blush and everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. My mascara is on. I have my blush and my lipstick on. This look right now looks really simple. It's still really pretty, but it's super simple. There's not a lot to it. If you really want this to look, holy cow, amazing, you can grab some glitter eyeliner, and let's make this baby pop. So I already have black eyeliner on, and we're just going to take the silver side and go over, line that black eyeline. Let that dry down for a minute. So while that's drying down on the bottom, I'm going to take a bronze color, and I'm going to come up here. And this is sort of like a cut crease, but not. And you're just lining where the top of that shadow is to give it just a little bit of depth. This is just, slightly darker than that. And now we're going to go back in with the shimmery side of this with all that glitter. And we're just going to go right over the top of that silver eyeline. The neater you are with that, I wasn't very neat right there, but the neater you are with it and making sure it's exactly right, the more dramatic this is going to look. So now I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to hit it with some setting spray. And just in the center of my lid, I'm going to take that same exact color, not another color, same color, and just put it right in the center. And then on the inner corner, where you want that to pop out. And then I'm going to take just a little bit of it and bring it down here, just to bring it together. And I think I'm also going to take a little bit of this bronzy eyeliner I've got and just bring that right here on this outer corner. That is my super shimmery, age-defying, I can wear glitter on my lids if I want to. I don't care how old you are. It'll look beautiful on anyone. Tell me it wouldn't. It's so simple, so beautiful, so easy, and it's so versatile. I mean, I love that about these looks, is just exactly how versatile they are for anybody. I don't care who you are. You do you and do what you want to do. But if you want to do simple eye looks, come to me because we're going to do them in this series. The simpler, the better. They're really fast. If I wasn't talking to you, they might take me 10 minutes, the whole thing. Let me know what you think. I'd like to hear from you guys below as always. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye!